How to clear the DNS or host cache in Google Chrome. Here's how. First, open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type chrome://net-internals/#DNS and press enter. Once the page opens, click Clear Host Cache. That's it. You've successfully cleared the DNS cache in Google Chrome. Now, close Chrome and open it again. Then check if your website loads properly. If you're still having issues, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Next, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install any available updates. If an update is installed, click Relaunch to restart Chrome. That's it. Your browser should now work more smoothly, and any website loading issues caused by an outdated DNS cache may be resolved. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Google Chrome tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.